Okay, this is Santa Skip. What you see on the counter is the next big meal I'll be making. As you can tell, I got some tomatillos, I got some jalapenos, I got some roasted mild chili peppers. I think they're serranos or I'm not sure what kind of chili they are. Doesn't really say, does it? Just green chili peppers. And I got some white navy beans that I'm gonna add, and like I said, 2 cans of tomatillos. I got some chicken thighs here, and I also have some turkey bacon. All this is gonna go together in one pot. Plus, I will also be adding some some celery to it. Probably a couple, maybe 2-3 stalks of celery. Get a little more texture, that little fibrous texture for your body. But this is all going into a pot, and you will see it come. I'll put it up before Christmas, so give you an idea of what you can make when you have all the time in the world. I hope you enjoy it when I make it. I hope you enjoy this little short video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.